Dear students, good morning. This is our second module of magnetic effects of electric current. In this module, we are going to discussing about the topics: the direction of the magnetic field produced by a straight current carrying conductor and a circular loop, and also use the right hand thumb rule to determine the magnetic field direction for a current carrying wire and a circular loop. At the end of this module, you can understand the characteristics of magnetic field produced by a current carrying straight conductor and a circular loop, and you can able to use the right hand thumb rule to determine the magnetic field direction for both cases. In this module, our first topic is magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. Students, look at that figure. We will discuss this topic with an activity. Observe the circuit diagram. In our first circuit, the current flows through the positive to negative terminal. That flow of current in north to south direction. The magnetic needle deflected towards the east. That you can shown in that figure. In our second figure, we change the direction of current. That means we replace the positive terminal by the negative and the negative terminal by the positive terminal. Now the direction of current is in south to north direction. So you can see that the deflection of compass needle is in opposite direction, that is towards the west. In this activity, we concluded that when the direction of current is reverses, the direction of magnetic field produced by the conductor is also reverses. Our next topic is magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. I will explain this topic using an activity. The experimental setup as shown in the figure. A thick copper wire is inserted through a rectangular cardboard sheet and spread some iron filings over the sheet. And also this copper wire is connected to a variable resistance, ammeter, battery and a key. When the key is on position, the current is passing through the circuit and the iron filings form concentric circle around the wire. The circles become larger and larger away from the wire. The magnetic field strength is more near the wire, but it reduces away from the conductor. If we place a magnetic compass near the conducting wire, the deflection of needle is more, but the deflection of needle is reduces away from the conducting wire. Thus, the magnetic field produced by a given current in the conductor decreases as the distance from it increases. How can we increase the magnetic strength produced by a current carrying straight conductor? When we increase the amount of current flowing through the conductor, the magnetic field is also increases. That means the magnetic field strength is directly proportional to the magnitude of current flowing through the conductor. How can we find the direction of magnetic field associated with the current carrying conductor? For this purpose, we use right hand thumb rule. This rule states that imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb point towards the direction of current. Then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of the magnetic field lines of the magnetic field as shown in the figure. This is known as right hand thumb rule. Observe this figure carefully. You can see that the direction of magnetic field when the current is in upward and downward directions. In our first figure shows current is upward direction. So we point our thumb and wrapped fingers as shown in the figure. In this case, the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise. In our second figure, thumb pointing downwards and direction of magnetic field is in clockwise direction. This is the way to use right hand thumb rule. Friends, we are moving to our next topic, that is magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. We know that a current carrying wire produces a magnetic effect. Use the same conducting wire and bend it form a circular loop as shown in the figure. Then current is passed through it. Observe the pattern of magnetic lines produced. At every point of a current carrying circular loop, the concentric circles representing the magnetic field around it. It would be larger and larger as we move away from the wire. We already seen this pattern in the case of a straight conductor. If the distance is increases, the magnetic field strength is decreases. By the time we reach at the center of the circular loop, the arc of these big circles would be appear as straight line. Every point on the wire carrying current would give rise to the magnetic field appearing as straight line at the center of the loop. That means the magnetic strength is more at the center of this circular loop. How can we increase the strength of the magnetic field produced in a circular loop? The first method is to increase the magnitude of current that flows through the loop. The second method is to increase the number of turns of that circular loop. The reason is, if there is a circular coil having n turns, the field produced is n times as larger as that produced by a single turn. That means in a circular coil have 5 turns, the field produced is 5 times as larger as that produced by a single turn. This is because the current in each circular turn has the same direction and the field due to each turn then just adds up. Students, can you find out the south and north pole of magnetic field produced by a loop? Look at this figure carefully. In our first figure, the direction of current is anti-clockwise direction. The letter N in anti-clockwise stands for, that is, north pole of our magnet. If we stand just opposite of this loop, the direction of current looks like clockwise. So it is the south direction of our magnet. We know that in a bar magnet, the direction of magnetic field lines inside the magnet is south to north. You can observe this pattern in this figure. So we can say that a current carrying circular loop resembles a tiny bar magnet. Students, in this topic we discussed magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor, right hand thumb rule, magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Hope you understood this lesson. Please read your textbook thoroughly and meet with another video. Thank you.